Hi, this is Jason. This is my IOT project. I made a Simon Says alarm clock that plays Spotify playlists, and basically I built it on the Pi. It looks like this. That's a Pi. There's a lot of wires, but the basic idea is you have that red, blue, green, and then yellow. The yellow's weird. It's like tape. It's a green LED, but it has like yellow tape on it. But we did what we could because I couldn't get a yellow LED. But the buttons here all correspond to the colors, and I tried to color code them, but can't really see that too well. But it's basically red, blue, green, yellow. So red, blue, green, yellow. Basically, if I had more time, I'd try and make this cleaner. I just tried to focus on everything else more and get it actually working. So this works. It doesn't look too pretty, but oh well. This is my speaker. It plays it when the alarm goes off through Spotify. And basically it's all tied together through this Python file that I have. Basically you run it in the terminal, and then it prompts you for password, and then it prompts you for the year, the month. And these are all in the digit form, so it's just 2024, whatever. And hours, it has to be in military time, and then minutes. So I also made this so it asks for multiple alarms, so I'll just set up 2 right now, 1 for right now, and like 1 in a minute, just to show that it works. I'm just gonna do the same thing. So if you don't want to add any more alarms, it's Y or N. It prompts for input, yet Y if you want to enter more, N if you don't. So N. This should start the alarm. I set it to start right when I entered it. I set it to start at 1:45, and it's already 1:45. So you can see this, the alarm started playing music. It asked for a button to start, as Simon Says. So basically that's just so it doesn't show a light when you're not looking. So you have to press something for it to prompt input. So green's first. And green. I just had this set to 3 levels to pass at first, just so I can demonstrate it easier. So that was the 3rd level. I got it all right. And then it stopped. I don't know if you could tell. Then it restarted because the 2nd alarm went off. I just set it for the minute after. So it's a different song. It's this is the 3rd level right here. So it got all of them correct, and then it ended. And then it looked for the next alarm, and then it prompted to start the 2nd one. So same thing again. You just press a button, and then it starts. So yellow first, and yellow, green. And then yellow, green, red, and that stops the music. I don't know if you could hear that. I'll turn it up next time, but stops it, and it ends the program because it went through both alarms. I'll change it so it goes to more levels now, just to show. That was just to show that it had like multiple alarms working, and I'll show more if it like fails. I'm just setting an alarm for like right when I enter it. I'm just gonna put another one just to show you what happens. So basically this is gonna start in 1 minute. It's 1:47 right now. It's gonna start at 1:48. So you can just wait. The playlist I did depends on the day. So today is just playlist of songs I like that are like kind of modern. Different days have different things. The weekend I did like relaxing songs. So it's like Saturday, Sunday, you wake up relaxing songs. But it just turned 1:48. And this started. I'll just turn it down while I explain. and it prompted for input again, but basically you just do this yellow, blue. This goes up to 7 now. Apparently got it wrong, but if you get it wrong, this is what happens. Press a button. It basically just tells you incorrect. After each time you get a level correct, it tells you, and then it starts the next one. But this one says press a button to start, Simon says. So basically it's just restarting it once you get it wrong. Apparently I didn't save it when I changed it to 7, but that was 3 again, and that's what happens when you fail. It stopped the music. I don't know if you could hear that, but basically it yeah, it does that. My goal is what I want it to be is 7 or something. I didn't really pick, but you can just change whatever number of levels you want, and it's really simple in the code. You just change one thing and it'll still work with any level. But yeah, there's that. I really like the different the ability to play different playlists in the way I did it, because each day there's a function that lets you check what day of the week it is given the date. So it takes a date you enter in your code. So it would take 2020-4/29, and it'll compare that to the current date, and then it'll tell you what day of the week it is. So I don't know, I just like it. So that's why people start to not like their alarm or whatever sound that is, because they hear it too much. So I have playlists of couple hundred songs, and each day of the week the playlist is different, and then it's a random song, so it will barely ever be the same song 2 times in a row. I just thought that was pretty cool, and I just exited the program there because the second alarm wouldn't go because I set it for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I probably forgot something, but yeah, thank you.